Bonafide Hustler here, and it is neighborhood-wide garage sale season. I am rolling into a neighborhood right now. We're about to see what we can buy, what we can resell strictly from garage sales today. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my mega spaceship. And we're in a neighborhood. I just made the turn, and we are looking for garage sales so we can make some money. Don't forget to subscribe. Find me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. Get the free money making guide. It's the first link down below. It'll teach you 50 items of what to buy and resell that you can find commonly at thrift stores and garage sales. Okay, my head is on a swivel, and we are looking for garage sales right now. We're in this neighborhood, which is a good neighborhood. Last year it was really good, so here's the first one right there, it looks like. Probably, I don't know, I can't tell. Should I just like drive past this one? I see a really cool cherry picker looking thing. I probably will drive past this one because there's gonna be a lot of stuff today, and I wanna be able to find things that I'm really good at, like right out of the gates. There are a lot of cars going into this neighborhood, so I'm gonna pass this first one up, and I know some people are gonna be like, look, that's kind of a dumb deal because you should go check it out, you should, you know, whatever, but you know, there could be 40 garage sales today, and speed is of the essence, it always is. So I've been doing this for 20 plus years, and for me, this kind of works. Obviously, if there were fewer garage sales today, then I wouldn't do this, but I'm gonna go through this neighborhood, blast through it. It's about 65, maybe 55 degrees actually. It's kind of cold, and I don't know if many people are gonna be having garage sales. I hope they will. But I do see signs all over the place, so there should be garage sales in every little corner. So there's one down here somewhere. We'll see if we can find it. This neighborhood is very mazy, right? That's a word, mazy. It's where things have a lot of turns, and you feel as if you can't get back to where you entered the street or the neighborhood in the first place. Very mazy. All right, I just stopped at that garage sale. There is a bike that he's selling, but you gotta scan bikes all the way through. That one had a ding on it, and once that bike has a ding on it, I just don't wanna mess with it. But he was asking 125. For a bike that if it didn't have the ding on it, I would have offered 80, and I would have sold it for about 300. But with the ding on it and everything, just not my style. But he did give me these free pedals right here. These are called Look. They're like Seiko slash like branded, right? So they have like a collaboration with Seiko. It's pretty cool, very American looking. So these will probably sell for around 50 bucks or so. He gave them to me for free. Let's go find some more garage sales. Okay, here's the next garage sale. I see a bike, maybe we can score it. Okay, so I ended up buying the bike for 100 bucks. It's an OCR. This is a women's road bike. Carbon fork, carbon, you know, seat post. You know, good components. We have 105 components right here. So I think there's 105 at the top. But more importantly, the color scheme is cool. You know, shorter women are gonna love this bike. So it's a frame size small. And yeah, it should be pretty good. I'm gonna put some new bar tape on it. But this should sell between like 300 and 500 bucks pretty quick. Nice score. That's what I'm all about. So let's go find some more garage sales. There's a garage sale there. And there's a garage sale, don't know if you can see it, but there's one over there too. These are completely off the beaten path. Like I was just randomly deep in the neighborhood and I saw these signs for these garage sales, and they weren't on the main street. So this could be good. My thoughts are not many people have come down here because they didn't put the signs on the main streets. I found these garage sales, who knows? I'll show you if I find anything cool. All right, so I got this Pelican, or Pelican-ish, it's not Pelican, could be Pelican. It's this rolling case, it's huge. You know, cleaning it up and everything like that, I think I could get it sold for like 100 bucks. But I spent 15 on it, all the clasps work. It does have rolling wheels and everything like that, so it's very serious. People that are in the film industry would love stuff like this. People in the music industry would love stuff like this. So yeah, not a bad find, 15 bucks. This amazing travel case. So I took a break and I stopped at this Goodwill right here. They're playing some crazy music and I'll get a copyright strike, but I did get this bike right here for $23 out the door. And it's a Trek 3500, needs a tad bit of work. Should sell for right around 100 to 200, but if I didn't want to do the work, it would sell for 80. So, not a bad bike, pretty cool. It needs a little bit of front brake adjusting, gotta inflate the tires when I get home. Not too bad, but the cool thing that someone passed on, there was definitely someone considering this, but I hovered around and I bought it when they left. This was around $14.06, and this is a leather bag, genuine leather bag, pretty nice, huge. Should sell in my booth for 100 all day. Now, it's not a great brand like Filson or, you know, Orvis or anything like that, but it's still a good enough leather bag to buy. Definitely profitable, smells good, feels good. yeah. All right, we got another garage sale right here. Looks like a lot of stuff. Almost looks like a reseller, to be honest. But I'll still check it out and see if I find anything. So I didn't find anything at that last one, but maybe this one. This one's only 1 minute down the road. Just happened to be another garage sale. So this one looks like it has a bunch of antique stuff, which is kind of nice. A lot of cool things hanging up right there. All right, so let's check this out. From that garage sale, pretty cool scores. We have a 1991 Chicago Blackhawks sweatshirt. Appears to be in very good condition, size large. And this is a logo 7. And then this one is a Russell Athletic Arizona Cardinals. This is a 1990, I want to say 7 maybe? 1997 sweatshirt, pretty cool too. Both for 10 bucks. Not a bad deal. These are TBDs, I'm gonna look them up and everything like that, but this would do really well in my booth regardless. But I'm more excited about this one, to be honest with you. Okay, so that garage sale over there was a winner. We have this awesome Lone Star sign. First of all, you can see it, it's like a pool hall sign. This will sell for about 100 bucks, maybe more. I paid 15 for that. This jacket is so cool. It's a vintage McGregor jacket. A bunch of pearl snap shirts, first of all. So I paid 30 for everything else. And the, you know, pearl snap shirts in my booth sell for like 17, 20. But I think the real big winner is this McGregor. Look at this McGregor suede jacket right here. Unbelievable looking. So cool. I'm so glad I came to this garage sale. Big win right here. I managed to find one last garage sale. And the lady, when I walked up, was like, oh, you bought some bikes today? I was like, yeah. She's like, you're interested in another one? She pulls out one from the back, sells me this Specialized Dolce for 40 bucks. And this thing's probably gonna sell for like 3 or so. Crazy, just needs air in the tires. But anyway, yeah, that wasn't even like, I don't know. It's 11 o'clock. And there's still garage sales in this neighborhood. It's crazy. But I do have to go home like right now, so if I find one on the way home, I'm gonna stop. All right, so I'm back at the Hustler Casa. We got so much stuff here. Anyway, I'm gonna go process most of this stuff. And I actually turned in the McGregor suede jacket to an alteration place for 10 bucks to get this stitch done that was like in the armpit region. It had a stitch issue, so I already turned that thing in, so it's pretty cool. The McGregor jacket's probably the biggest win of the day, besides the bikes, obviously. But the McGregor jacket has probably resale of like $200 to $400. I'm not even kidding, but it is my size. Ooh, should I keep it? Oh, I don't know what to do. Anyway, thank you for watching this vlog, and I'll see you on the next one, and we'll see what we find on those next garage sales. Take it easy. Goodbye.